Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I wore this week in an OOTW. I have so much fun sharing these videos with you guys, and I just think it's so much fun to share all my outfits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. I've been uploading daily videos for the month of May, and it's seriously so much fun, and I've been doing daily shoutouts in each video as well. So we're going to do the post notification shoutout along with the comment of the day shoutout right now. So if you guys want a chance to get a shoutout, be sure to check out the description box because I have all the details on how to get a shout out. So today's post notification goes out to Happy Go Preppy #notification squad. Thank you so much for these stylish videos and tips. Thank you so much for turning my notifications on and leaving such a sweet comment. And then the comment of the day goes out to Miss Dolly Pink. Kelly, that ring looks so beautiful. I love it and it looks so pretty on you. I'm obsessed with pink just as much as you do. Oh my gosh, I seriously love pink forever. So thank you so much for leaving such a sweet comment. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. So definitely let me know in the comments down below of this video what outfit is your favorite, and let's just get right into it. On Monday, I wore my favorite yellow sweater from j.crew along with a super cute flower skirt from Shein with some platinum Jack Rogers. I have a monogram necklace on from Etsy, my Daniel Wellington watch with my ring, and then some Lily and Laura bracelets. I just love how fun and bright and cheerful this outfit is. On Tuesday, I went for more of a casual look. I have on a long sleeve t-shirt from Vineyard Vines, some yellow chino shorts from j.crew, and my New Balance sneakers. I spiced it up with this really sparkly statement necklace, my Kate Spade watch, and my everyday bangles. The theme for this week was yellow and flowers. And on Wednesday, this outfit was my absolute fave. It's just this simple t-shirt from j.crew with some Tommy Hilfiger vintage flower shorts with my platinum Jack Rogers. Super simple, but it looks so cute with my little circle purse. And then I just have on my Daniel Wellington watch and my everyday bracelets. On Thursday, I went with a wild print combination. So I have a striped t-shirt on from Romway and these flower printed shorts from Shein with some black Jack Rogers. I love mixing prints. I think it's so much fun. And then I just threw on my monogram necklace, my Daniel Wellington watch, and then some bracelets that my parents got me for Christmas a few years ago. And on Friday, I wore a really bright, cheerful outfit that you guys might have seen already in one of my recent videos. I just have on some white Jack Rogers, my pink chino shorts, and then this yellow polo from Lily Pulitzer with my Kate Spade watch and my everyday bangles. I hope you guys enjoyed this OOTW. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which outfit of the day was your favorite. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!